Today we're featuring a 2016 Cadillac ATS. It's a certified Cadillac with 21,000 miles on it. It's black raven in color. It does have the front park assist. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It's got the turn signals in the mirrors, lock unlock button in the door handles. It is equipped with power sunroof. It also has the rear park assist, rear view camera. All right, the exterior of this ATS is in great shape. No issues at all. Very sharp looking little car here, and it is a certified pre-owned Cadillac. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. It's got the tan on tan door panel, nice wood grain trim. All right, memory seats, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, Bose audio, the nice thick rubber floor mats, power driver seat, tan leather. It does have the sunroof. Let me go ahead and pull that back for you. Give you a shot of the sunroof there. It does have the keyless entry key fob with remote start. And the passenger seat leather is also in good shape. It is an automatic. It's got your push button start, heated seats, gonna have your display right there with the backup camera. Okay, and we'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 21,121 miles on it. Go ahead and pan out a little bit. It does have the Bluetooth and heated wheel, and also your steering wheel audio controls. Right, here's your home screen on the display. All right, it does have navigation. Let's go ahead and engage that for you. Go ahead and take this off real quick. There we go. Shut this and knock the glare down. Okay, there we go. There's your navigation. Let's engage the backup camera. All right, now back to your home screen. Check out the apps there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat leather looks good. It does have that center console that comes down. Got your little storage area here, cup holders. Give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout here. All right, and it does also has the thick rubber floor mats back here as well. Carpet back here in the trunk's clean. A couple of storage areas there and here. All right, a ton of room back here for this ATS. Go ahead and take a look at your wheels and tires. An 18-inch polished aluminum, almost close to chrome there, very shiny. All right, plenty of tread left on the tires there. All right, once again, it's a 2016 Cadillac ATS, 21,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.